Traditional edge guide sensors have a relatively small area in which sensing takes place. For applications where the width of the web changes frequently, the sensor must be physically moved to ensure that the edge is seen. With the true wide sensor from Fife, the edge of the material can lie anywhere within the large reach of the sensor opening. True wide can then learn where the desired edge should be when the material is threaded. To learn the edge location, perform the following steps. First, install the sensor by connecting the SE45 analog connector and then the Ethernet connector. Note, it's important to thread each connector all the way until it's tight, or your sensor may not operate properly. The Ethernet connector has more thread and will take longer to connect than the SE45 connector. Also note that the Ethernet connection and the auxiliary power connection are keyed differently. This means that it's not possible to make a mistake when hooking up the sensor. After the sensor is installed, begin the setup process by starting in the manual mode. Access the TrueWide built-in web server by pressing the Page key. This will display all of the devices accessible by the DMAX WebGuide controller. Scroll down to the TrueWide sensor, which is designated by the label SE45 sensor. Then press Enter. Select the Job Settings option and press Enter. There's only one mode, Set Sensor, so press Enter again. Select Single Proportional Band and press Enter. Press Enter again to save. Press Escape 3 times to return to the front screen and then press the Page key to complete the setup. Your TrueWide sensor will now operate as a single edge-guiding proportional band sensor so long as the edge of the material lies within the sensing zone. Please note the following items when using the TrueWide sensor. The entire setup process for moving the desired location of an edge can be performed in a matter of seconds. The 16-bit resolution of the TrueWide sensor means that an edge can be sensed with an accuracy of 1/10,000th of an inch. There is no mechanical adjustment necessary. The width of the material can vary up to 20 inches on a single edge. The ultrasonic transducers incorporated into the TrueWide sensor can detect transparent edges, such as tape or film, in addition to opaque or translucent edges, such as paper. Since the sensor is made up of many individual transducers, factory repair is affordable and plausible. If one transducer fails, it can be individually replaced. For more information about the family of TrueWide sensors or for assistance with your web guiding process, contact Fife at 1-800-639-3433.